et ça me fait du bien.
Moving into the master, we have created a new ensuite and walk-in robe by taking spaces from the surrounding rooms.
To make space for the main corridor, we had to remove the powder room and family bathroom, leaving upstairs without a bathroom. To utilize the space we had, we opted for a bathroom with a Jack and Jill entrance, servicing upstairs and the master suite.
The main feature of this ensuite is the oversized double shower. We wanted to create a luxurious feel to the space. We chose brushed nickel fixtures and finishes to make the experience feel as indulgent as possible.
Above the shower, it's a large window that allows natural light to flow in, opening up the space without compromising on privacy.
The double vanity is made from natural black butt timber, which we've also used on the border for the shaving cabinet. The terrazzo flooring further unifies this space with the rest of the home.
We kept the powder room and laundry in the original location beside the bathroom.
Steel handles, hardware and a hanging rail have been used to complement the look of the home and add a sleek touch. The hanging rail provides a functional and decorative element.
When stepping out of the laundry, you find yourself standing in the sunroom. This area has evolved into a transitional space that connects the front and the back of the home.
With the addition of new aluminium windows, the sunroom now boasts ample natural light. Exiting the sunroom through a fluted glass door, the crazy paving steps provide a beautiful path to the backyard.
The house was originally disconnected, having two separate dwellings. One of the main goals of this project was to connect the two dwellings, making one single home. We achieved this by extending to the west, creating a staircase connecting the two dwellings. This is one of my favorite parts of the home, and it leads you to the old hypnosis rooms.